In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple emails in Gmail, a really handy skill that can save you valuable time, especially when you need to manage your emails more efficiently. Whether it's deleting a bunch of emails at once, archiving them, or applying any specific label, knowing how to select multiple messages together can make a big difference in your productivity. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're there and logged into your account, you'll see your inbox laid out before you. Now, to the left of each individual email listed in your inbox, you'll notice a small checkbox next to the sender's name and subject line. By clicking on this checkbox, you select that particular email. If you want to choose multiple emails individually, simply go ahead and click the checkbox beside each email that you wish to select. This method is perfect when you have a specific selection of emails you need to act upon. However, if you're working with a larger batch of emails, Gmail offers an even more efficient way to select multiple messages at once. At the very top of your email list within Gmail's interface, you'll find another checkbox located just below the search bar. Clicking on this particular checkbox will select all emails that are currently visible on the page. It's important to note that this doesn't select every single email in your entire inbox, just those that you can see. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to deal with a whole page's worth of emails at a time without manually clicking each one. Now, if you decide that you want to select all emails within a certain category or under a specific label, Gmail has thought of that as well. When you click on this top checkbox, a small notification will appear at the top of your email list, offering you the option to select all conversations in your inbox or within the chosen category, allowing you to affect every email at once, not just those displayed on the current page. Once you've made your selections, you can proceed to perform your desired action. This might be deleting them to clear up storage, moving them to a specific folder for better organization, or marking them as read or unread depending on your needs. There you have it, a straightforward way to manage multiple emails with ease in Gmail. This method keeps your inbox organized and clutter-free, and saves you from the hassle of dealing with emails one by one. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.